Hello everybody, this is Bharat Junjunwala and welcome you all to Speaking Technically and Pro RSI. Today we are going to discuss about Nifty and let's see how Nifty is poised to behave in weeks to come and in the short term. So this is the weekly chart of Nifty and you can see how very well the candle is tagging on the upper band of the Bollinger Band. The RSI is well above the 60 levels. The MACD has reversed from the zero line and the stochastics of course is not getting oversold. So these are all indications of you know the weakness that was persisting in Nifty is now no more, basically what it indicates. And and if you can see, the last week's movement was very wild and very strong. One more thing you can see, if you notice, that there was an ongoing head and shoulder formation on the Nifty weekly chart. So this was an ongoing head and shoulder formation. Now this formation has been negated, right? Now this formation has been negated, or we can say that head and shoulder has failed. Now what happens generally when a head and shoulder fails? We have a target type of calculation. We can calculate the failure target in a very different way. Now this is how the failure target is calculated, right? You have to measure the distance from the head to the neckline and then you have to add that to the right shoulder. So if you calculate this target, it lands around 12,800 and 12,800 no, roughly. So this the failure target of head and shoulder is 12,800. So it gives us a target of 12,800 on the Nifty weekly charts. So it's quite obvious that the momentum is quite strong. You can see with the momentum indicators are very strong. The price action is strong. The volatility is favoring, and also the target of the head and shoulder failure is around 12,800. So this was the analysis on the weekly charts. Now the question remains that where we can enter or where we can take advantage of this move. So let us switch on to the daily chart and have a look at the daily chart and what it says. So this is the daily chart of Nifty, and if you go and refer to the timeline on the YouTube, you will see that there was an analysis posted by me where it was showing a Wyckoff type of distribution in Nifty. Now that distribution has also been negated, right? Now this Wyckoff sell Wyckoff distribution was negated on the Nifty itself, and now Nifty has moved above the resistance. Now if you can see, the previous highs were around 11,785 odd levels. We are expected to move to that levels, but when? Now if you see this thing, the RSI is getting overbought and it is trading near 76 or 77 odd levels, and the stochastics is going to 96 levels. Now this shows that the trend is extended in this direction, right? Now what may happen, we may get minor corrections at these levels. It's not sure, but usually when the trend gets extended in an in a direction, in a single direction, right? So it is getting extended in the bullish direction, and RSI is getting 276. So when in the bull market, if you just refer the bull range, right, 80 and 40 are the overbought and oversold levels. So now Nifty is moving towards the 80 zones on the RSI. So it may so happen that it may give us a little bit of correction here, and then measuring the quantum of correction, we will plan our entries, right? So where we can come, where the correction can end, for that we can use our Fibonacci, but once we need a price confirmation to, so basically we have a very strong trends take support at 1100 and these two levels, right? So very strong trends generally take support at 23 and 38, between 23 and 38. So we have these two levels here for Nifty support, and we have to wait for a candle signal here to confirm that the correction has started, and then we will sit with our levels here ready to buy whenever we'll get a bullish action here. So if it comes down in between these points, makes a bullish candlesticks, right, and then it may move up again, at least to the highs. And we also have our targets measured on the weekly chart. So this was, guys, about Nifty. You see the momentum is very strong and the bullish sentiment is very strong, but the indicators are heavily overbought, and we have to wait for a correction to enter Nifty right now to get a good risk reward trade. And also we will need a good candlestick signal that will tell us that the correction has started, and then we will accordingly plan our entry in Nifty. So guys, this was this, and if you have really liked the analysis, do hit the like button and do share it with your friends on your various WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups. Comment and tell us how do you like the analysis and material. Till then, keep earning, keep learning, and keep sharing. This is Bharat Junjunwala signing off. Have a good day. Bye bye.